Hi everyone, my name is Mary Jane Ermitaño from Talbastagan Integrated School. So today we will talk about nail care tools. But let us first define nail care tools. When we say tool, these are the commonly used for manicure and pedicure and referred to us as implement. Okay, so before we go to the lesson proper, I just want to give you a heads up that after this discussion, we'll be having a quiz. So you have to listen carefully during the discussion. Also, I'll be showing pictures, okay? And we will also talk about the uses of each tools. All right? Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. Let's have the first one, that is Callous Remover. So Callous Remover is a tool designed to strip off calluses and corns. Next one is the Cuticle Nail Pusher. It is a tool used to push back and loosen cuticles. From the word itself, nail pusher or cuticle nail pusher, we are pushing, used to push, okay, the cuticles or loosen the cuticles. Next, we have the Cuticle Nipper. The Cuticle Nipper is an implement used to cut the cuticles. Next one is the finger or the manicure bowl. The finger or manicure bowl is a small bowl used for soaking the fingers to soften the cuticles. Next, we have the foot file. Okay, this is how foot file looks like. The foot file is made of metal or sandpaper with a rough file on one side to remove calluses and a fine file on the other to smoothen calluses. Next, we have the foot spa basin. The foot spa basin is a rectangular container used for bathing and soaking the feet when giving pedicure. Next one is the manicure tray. The manicure tray is a flat container where all necessary tools and implements are used by the manicurist. Next is the manicure nail brush. The manicure nail brush is a plastic handheld brush with a nylon bristle used to clean dirt and cosmetic residue from the nail surface and skin. Next one is the mixing bowl. So the mixing bowl is a small open top, rounded cup-like container used for mixing the aromatic oils and other fluids for the hand or foot spa. Next is the nail buffer. The nail buffer is an implement used for smoothing and polishing nails. Next is the nail cutter, nail clipper, and nail trimmer. It is a hard tool made of metal used to trim the fingernails and the toenails. Next is the nail file. So the nail file is an implement used to shape the free edge of the nail with a coarse side and bevel the nail with a finer side. Next is the Orangewoo Stick. It is an implement with pointed and rounded ends to remove excess polish. Next is the pedicure nail brush. It is a tool used to remove cosmetics and cleanse the nail. Next is the plastic container cotton. The plastic container cotton is a small receptacle with cotton balls are put, or where cotton balls are put. Next is the Pumice Stone. The Pumice Stone is a type of volcanic rock which is actually 40 lava solidified to form a rock. Okay, it is used for removing dry and annoying skin of the feet as well as calluses. Next is the supply tray. The supply tray is a flat container that holds the necessary cosmetics and implements. And the last but not the least, is a trolley. Okay, trolley is a wheeled cart that is pushed by hand and used for transporting manicure and pedicuring tools and materials. All right, so those are the 18 tools for nail care. Now, ready your pen and paper. Let's have a quiz. Okay, just need to write the name of the tool that I will flash the picture on the screen, and then you'll write the name of the tool. Also, I will state their uses to help you identify these tools. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now let's have the first one. Now for number one, okay, it is a tool designing to strip off calluses and corn. Okay, next, number two, it is a tool used to push back and loosen cuticles. Number two, it is a tool used to push back and loosen cuticles. Next, for number three, it is an implement used to cut the cuticles. It is an implement used to cut the cuticles. Next, for number four, it is a small bowl used for soaking the fingers to soften the cuticles. It is a small bowl used for soaking the fingers to soften the cuticles. And then last, number five, okay, it is a metal or sandpaper with a rough file on one side to remove calluses and a fine file on the other for smoothing the feet. Okay, so let us now check, okay, check if your answers are correct. Let's have the first one. It is a tool designed to strip off calluses, and that is Callous Remover. Okay, next, number two, it is the tool used to push back and loosen the cuticle. Is Cuticle Nail Pusher. Again, Cuticle Nail Pusher. For number three is an implement used to cut the cuticle. It's Cuticle Nipper. For number four is an implement used to cut, for number four, it is a small bowl used for soaking the fingers to soften the cuticles. It is called finger or manicure bowl. For number five, it is a small bowl. For number five, it is made of metal or sandpaper with a rough file on one side to remove calluses and a fine file on the other to smoothen the feet. It is foot file. Okay, very good. So, did you get five? Okay, so if you didn't get all of the five answer, you can just go back and watch this video again. So thank you so much for listening and watching this video. See you on my next video. Bye.